guys, it's Ritika. So today's video is all about why oiling your hair is so important and why giving a nice chumpy to your hair every week is so important. What are the benefits and how often do I oil my hair and which hair oil do I use? So today's video is all about answering all of these questions, and I have in total 5 points wherein I'll be telling you guys about the benefits of oiling your hair regularly. So yeah, let's get started. The first point is when you oil your hair, you use your fingers or your fingertips to give a nice massage all over your head or all over your scalp, and this increases the blood circulation all around your scalp, and it also makes your pores and your follicles to open up. And when your follicles open up and they take up more blood as the blood flow has increased, so your hair follicles become stronger by taking up more nutrients, and when your hair follicles are stronger, you get a better hair growth and it also decreases your hair fall. The second point is oiling your hair also relaxes your scalp and the muscles present all around your head, so it instantly calms down your mood and relieve you from too much of stress. And you can also add few drops of jasmine absolute essential oil to calm down your mind and to just give you that stress-free feeling and to instantly lift up your mood. So just mix a few drops of jasmine absolute essential oil or any essential oil that you like and give a nice massage all over your head and around your head, and it will instantly lift up your mood and calm you down, and this is really helpful, and do try this out and let me know about it. The third point is if you don't oil your scalp often, then this can lead to dry scalp, and if your scalp is dry, then this can lead to itchiness and dandruff, and if you suffer from dandruff, then that can lead to hair breakage and so many other problems. So you need to make sure that you oil your hair at least once in a week so that you can prevent dandruff and dry scalp. And if you already have dandruff and you need to get rid of that, so just make sure to oil your hair regularly. You can also mix few drops of lemon essential oil with your carrier oil or with whatever oil that you use, and you just need to take a cotton ball, and with the help of that you just need to apply this mixture all over your scalp or wherever you have dry patches or dandruff patches, and after 2 or 3 washes it will be able to remove your dandruff. So lemon essential oil along with your carrier oil is a really nice option to try out to get rid of your dandruff. The fourth point is you need to take care of your hair strands as well, as they also retain moisture and they are prone to hair breakage and split ends as well. So you need to take care of your hair strands as well, and in order to do that you need to apply a good amount of hair oil onto your hair strands so that they can retain all the good properties and the moisture and the hydration from the hair oil, and they can also just stand strong and shiny and healthy. The fifth and the last point is oiling your hair also controls the frizziness going all around your hair. So what I do is, so after washing my hair, I take a little bit of hair oil and I just apply it all over the strands, and I just need to make sure that the hair oil, the amount or the quantity has to be very less so that my hair will not look sticky or oily. And you also need to make sure that your hair oil is non-greasy and non-sticky and non-oily, and that is what I do, and it just instantly reduces the frizz and it makes my hair healthy as well. So yeah, these are the 5 points or the 5 benefits of oiling your hair. And now coming to the hair oil which I've been using since the past 1 month, and it significantly has made a huge difference in the growth of my hair and also in my hair fall. So this is the Oriental Botanics Red Onion Hair Growth Oil, and it has 30 different powerful ingredients inside it. So it has 30 different types of oils, which is really great. I really don't like using just one single oil. I really love when my oil has different sorts of oils together so that I can get the maximum benefit or the maximum nutrients from all different types of oils. So it has in total 30 number of oils, and it has no mineral oil, no paraben, no sulfate, no silicone, no animal testing, and no artificial color added. And the MRP of this one is 999 rupees, but currently it's on Amazon. It is available for rupees 699. It has this amazing Ayurvedic fragrance, जैसे कि जड़ी बूटियों में से fragrance आती है, इसकी fragrance बहुत ज़्यादा similar है उससे, and because of its fragrance it just feels so relaxing after applying it. And talking about the consistency of this hair oil, guys, this is not at all greasy, this is not at all sticky, it is not at all oily as well. You can apply it after washing your hair. You just need to take a little bit in amount and you just need to apply it all over your strands, and as you guys can see that I have applied it right now, but you cannot tell if I have applied any amount of hair oil onto my strands, and this is why I'm really loving this oil, because you just can't feel it on your hair. And yeah, it just instantly calms down or tames down the frizz and just makes my hair frizz free and also non-oily and non-greasy. And I also have seen there is a reduction in my hair fall as well. I will insert a video of my hair comb, and as you guys can see, I don't have a lot of hair on my hair comb, so it surely has decreased my hair fall as well, which is really nice. So I use this hair oil at least once in a week, and I'm just fond of its fragrance. The fragrance is so nice, guys. So I'm really loving this hair oil as of right now and just using this one. So yeah, this was all about this video, and these were the 5 points about why you should oil your hair. So don't forget to oil your hair at least once in a week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then do give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channels. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.